Okay, today we're here at Castle Park for their Mardi Gras, and we got one of their tasting cards, and got their shrimp and sausage gumbo at Big Top Burgers and Barbecue. So this is the tasting size. So it does have quite a few shrimp in here, though, and quite a few sausage. Where's the rice? Is the rice on the bottom? Okay. So let me try some of the rice and shrimp. Okay. Now, andouille sausage and the rice. It is pretty spicy. So, if you don't like spice, this may not be the one for you. But yeah, there's a lot of meat in here. I have at least 3 of these jumbo shrimp, about 4 slices of the sausage, and then the rice underneath. So I think every item works out to $4.30. So this is definitely worth that. So I'm going to give this one an A, even though we had to wait so long for it. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.